Hey guys, my name is Iswerya Ajay. I'm a junior here at IU studying psychology with two business minors. Today I'm going to do a dorm tour for you guys here at Union Street Center where I'm also an RA this year. Let's go! As an international student ambassador from Hong Kong and India, it was very hard for me to relate with what dorms actually look like. So first, I'm going to show you the center desk and the study rooms at the Cedar Hall, which you guys can use. Let's also put on our masks first before we go in. As you can see behind me, we have the center desk. Here you can come to ask any questions related to Union Street Center and also pick up your packages and mail. Upstairs, we have our study lounges, which is also across all the other buildings for you to study if you want a change of scenery. We also have a little Union Street library where you can pick up some CDs and movies and books. Let's go also check out the Union Street Center Market where you can pick up all your food. It's pretty much a mini grocery store where you can grab a bunch of stuff. Also, there's a French sandwich and wrap store. So Union Street Center actually has 7 different buildings. We're finally at mine, Hickory Hall. Let's go check it out. So guys, we finally reached. Let's enter my dorm. So we finally enter our living space. We actually have a really big one and I'm super lucky to have that. When we look at our kitchen, we have the microwave, the oven, the stove, and lots of storage. And we also have our own fridge. So when we come to this side of our living space, right by the door, we have our shoe rack, and then we have our own dining table so we can just cook and eat. And then another thing that's super convenient for our dorm specifically at Union Street is that we have our own washer and dryer inside our apartment, and that's adds so much convenience. We also have our own rack to keep all our laundry detergents and stuff. So next, let's move on to the best part of our living space. We have our own living room. Not a lot of dorms on campus have it, so we're super lucky to have our own space where we can pretty much do anything, eat, study, whatever we want to, and we also have our gorgeous view outside. So next, let's look at the bathroom. You might not think it's a very big deal, but honestly, trust me, when you don't have to deal with your whole floor rushing into the same bathroom, this adds a lot of convenience in your everyday life. So let's also check out our sinks, which are outside. So we have 2 sinks right here, one for my roommate and I, and we also have some drawers for our makeup and whatnot. Here we are finally, the entrance to my room. We all also get a code for locking our rooms. Check it out! This year, I made sure I put in a lot of effort because I really wanted it to be home. And being an international student, you really want some place to feel like home for you to spend your time. So first, we have my desk over here. It's actually a very nice size. I can put all my notebooks when I'm studying and also my laptop. And there's also some, there used to be a storage space here, but I actually use that as my nightstand. I'll show you that in a second. But this is my little study area. Then if we look on this side, I have an extra mirror because I love mirrors. And on this is actually a shoe rack / storage space, but I used it for decoration. I also have my monitor up here, so whenever I connect that, I put that there. I also have a window, and it's really nice and bright when the sunlight actually hits in here, so it's really nice at Union Street. Then we have my bed, and all you international students, you can really relate with me when I say there are literally 4 suitcases underneath that, and it's a mess there, but I don't want to show you, but you can store things there. And that's the table stand that I was talking about, the drawers, and I use it as my nightstand. Then we have my little cupboard here with all my clothes, and then I have a couple of handbags and things down there. And going on into my favorite part of my room, I have a bunch of pictures and a lot of things that remind me of home and my friends. I just decorated this little space, and then I have all my everyday necessities like my pants, my shorts, all of that over here. Thank you guys so much for watching my dorm tour. I really hope it was super informative for you guys and you got to see what dorm life at Union Street feels like. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing all you future Hoosiers on campus next year. Bye!